Hi everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are letting our daughter repaint her vanity. She's had this thing for a while, but it needed a fresh coat of paint. The top of it was pink, and it from her putting her makeup on it, it was getting pretty nappy looking. So we're just painting it and giving it a fresh coat of paint.
I got some paint from you
and
guys.
letting her do it because it's her vanity.
Bro, you already done all that. I've done this, and now I'm retouching things. What you mean?
But we got the drawer out over there. We're gonna paint it a blue. It's got a pink handle. We've got it drying so we can put the next coat of paint on there. But we're gonna let her paint this. And when it gets totally done and dry, we'll show you what it looks like. Kylie, are you excited?
Yes, I'm really excited to see the new look.
Yeah, I figured she was. All right, well, we'll come back whenever we let this first layer dry. Bye.
Okay, guys, this is the product before we started painting. Say hello to your viewers,
Hello.
your subscribers.
Can I use this for something?
Hello.
What do you say? What do you say to them? Tell them to like, comment, and subscribe.
Likes, comment, and
Subscribe. That's too much.
All right.
I do it like this.
No, you need to wipe it off.
It ain't totally dry yet, but we went ahead and come back. Our son's in there. I was going to let you talk to him a minute.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Let him talk to you.
What?
She's painting the back of it.
We're painting it for because it was get pretty nappy.
Nasty. This back. Was it?
Touch up the legs, Kylie.
Touch up the legs on it.
The legs.
This one on the inside of this one.
hello. Thank you for
Boy in the haircut this weekend,
watching my videos and stuff.
Listen here needs a haircut.
and he may get it.
Yeah,
I'm probably gonna give it to you tomorrow.
Do it now, man.
No, not right now.
Why not? I'm just shaved off. I don't want to be my ball.
Oh, you're gonna look so ugly.
And I got dust on me.
I don't think you want to look ugly.
Yeah, I think it's still wet. See, it's just taking it right back off. I have to wait.
Still a little bit wet?
Yeah.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, I think so. Let's watch. It's taking it right back off. See?
No, it's not.
No, not.
Some parts are wet, but some parts are not. So can I do one? What you mean by it? What you mean? What you mean by it? Okay, guys. Okay. Oh God, it's falling off.
You will not be done. I'm not a professional painter, and neither is she,
So yeah.
so don't judge us too harshly on this.
Yeah.
There may be lines, there may be doubles, I don't know. Maybe air bubbles.
Oh no, that was not funny. That was really not funny. So why'd you laugh?
That was funny.
Well, yeah. You always think everything's funny.
You're not nice.
I know. Thank you.
Maybe painting, third coat paint.
We need a triple paint. Guys. I'm bad. What do I need to talk about? Double paint.
Legs ain't too bad.
Extra paint. Extra paint. Guys, you don't think that's good? There's a lot of paint over here. I think that's actually pretty good. There's no bad spots. Actually, there is. Not gonna lie.
Don't love me, please.
Horrible.
Film something else, please.
Who cares? No, the thing was over there.
Let's try.
I think it's pretty good. Come on. Just kidding. It's horrible. Check it, Mama. Check it.
Looking good. About ready to put the little flowers on there?
Yes, I am so ready. Should we tell them?
No.
It's gonna be a surprise.
Turn it off.
Okay, I gotta get my thing. Because baby before man.
Yeah, that's all that's gonna go up there. The other, they're gonna have two on each one.
Wait. No, Mama, I want it all the way around. Like spread it out when we used to. I don't think she knows that yet. Cause she's not doing it. She's not doing it. You too. Oh, I messed up. She did.
There's the thing about these flowers, you can't mess up. They're just flowers. There's never one flower that looks like the other one.
Yeah. Refill. Give me a second. I messed up, Mama. See, now I gotta hope that do like that. I think that's perfect. You put one in the middle? No?
No, I'm gonna fix that one over there. Move.
Move? Me?
Move.
Move.
Your thing's about done.
Guys, come over here. Come over here. Let me show you this. Ta-da! We put some flowers. I told her to like put like this right here and then like right here, like all the way around. So like spread it out like this much.
We don't want to overdo it.
No, I didn't mean like that. I mean like you spread it out like that much. Like you've been doing it.
No, I was just doing the top.
Oh, okay.
All right, now we just gotta let it dry. That's the bottom.
Here's the drawer.
We're gonna do all the way around.
The drawer there's, and that's the drawer for it.
Let's go back. We gotta do some more down here.
No!
We gotta do the bottom. I thought that was the top.
Look at this, guys. No. You don't have to do that. It looks good.
That looks all right.
It looks
Yeah, but it
good.
looked better with some flowers up here, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it would look better.
Yeah.
Can I do it again? Dang it. That was over, frick. Sorry, guys. I'm so distracted. Sucks. This one sucks. It really does.
And if you guys want to do something like this at your vanity, maybe you guys got something you guys want to do. Be creative. It's all right.
It's alright if you mess up.
And we're not
Mistakes
perfect.
help you learn.
And it's a fun little project maybe you and your kid could do like we are.
It's creative.
And maybe one right here. Right.
No, she's good.
That's it. It's done. Let it dry.
Yeah, pretty good. Wait, should we do one over here?
No, leave.
Door back in?
I don't know if it's dry yet, is it?
Is it?
It's not, but you can put it in. Just don't push it all the way to it. Here, Gavin. Watch out, baby.
Putting the door back in.
It's still a little wet, so we're not going to push it all the way in. But that's the finished product.
Yes! It looks good. It's perfect.